Hi friends, wish you very happy Diwali. And the intention of today's video is primarily I just want to give a broad macro themes in the sense even on the personal side because this is not a particular topic specific video. I People have seen I'll say a lot of issues with respect to the personal life, right, in the last 2 3 months, right. They are macro things, right? It's not a chart specific stuff. And this probably will continue for another 2 3 days at least, right? There are going to be some respite, but for next 6 7 months, we need to be a bit careful in terms of the personal relations, right? That is one thing because the Jupiter, the Karka, or the savior of the marriages is something which is debilitated. It's not going to impact everybody, but the people who have slightly bad dashas or who are running dashas where Jupiter is involved, right, they're going to be getting impacted to an extent, but not major. But obviously, if somebody's already at a borderline kind of situation, the things are going to be a bit negative, right? And secondly, on the financial market side, because broadly we are not looking at we are expecting a substantial correction. Next 3 months, I personally feel they're going to be 3 4 months, which is almost till your March end, right? Is not the time to invest, right? We should wait and we should look at an opportunity, right? In terms of sector focus, we are going to be focusing on 3 or 4 sectors, which I think in the chart of India, things are going to be because on the economy front, I personally feel post 3rd of September 2020, right, things have actually started looking up for India, and they're going to be substantially looking up, right? So that's not an issue. Post March correction, once we are invested into the market, we are looking at a April investment cycle, right? That's going to be a multi-year cycle, right? Because things for India are going to substantially change. We are looking at an index of 9,000 maybe like by March, right? 8 9,000 because currently it's 13,000, so maybe 25 30% correction. But post that, the numbers are going to be substantially high, right? Because I personally feel this is going to be one in a lifetime kind of opportunity for next 10 15 years, right? So certain sectors, certain themes, I actually wanted to give you the on Diwali. However, I just want to mention, be a bit cautious. This is not the time to go all in into the stock market. So be a bit cautious. But surely, post March, April, things are going to be substantially different. So certain sectors, certain investments, which I want to highlight. One is the infrastructure sector. In infrastructure, we gave a call on steel, but steel is fine. But in addition to steel, we should surely look at infrastructure companies. I'll give you one company each vertical. Second, obviously, chemicals is something which I've already suggested, right? Because chemical again for me looks like to be a theme for next 10, 15, 20 years, right? And the third sector I personally feel is the financials as well. That is another sector which I'm extremely bullish. Fourth sector, small mid sector, to be honest, is basically product driven IT companies, right? That is another thing which we are very strongly looking at. The first sector, I'll give you two companies. One large size, which is more conservative approach, which obviously in all probability is L&D is one investment. To be honest, second, if we want to look at a mid tier, right? I'll always suggest 2 or 3 companies. One obviously is GMR Infrastructure, which I'm pretty bullish upon. Second is the NCC. People who are beyond these the companies, the balance sheet a bit stretched, right, in terms of debt. So I don't know how these things are going to span out for them, right? So once we have a certainty on that, we'll obviously look at other companies as well. That's not an issue. In terms of chemicals, we have invested in Sumitomo Chemicals, and that's again I surely recommend because of the high corporate governance positivities, right? And in relation, a I'll not say very aggressive, but yeah, very reasonably conservative kind of business model, right? And a consistency that is which is going to be there. Dividend payout obviously is going to be much better. That is another sector which I want to look at. In IT product, we have invested in FL, and we will be probably looking at one or two more companies. However, we are going to be taking call, right? There are 2 or 3 companies which we are currently looking at. However, depending upon their financials, the next 3 months, we'll look at those companies, right? So these are the sectors, or these are the specific companies which I actually wanted to say. In addition, my obviously the basic objective was that we need to be a bit cautious because things are not looking that right. The index is not at 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, 11,000. It's at almost 13,000, touching 13,000. This is not the time to be aggressive, right? This is the time to be a bit conservative, sit back. Let's see, because market surely will give a correction. Even if suppose my prediction doesn't get through, right? But obviously 5, 7, 10% is a normal market correction mode, right? So that may be the time to invest as well. So that's not a issue that way, right? In addition, thanks a lot for all your support. I will continuously look at the feedback, right? Uh, in addition, and thanks a lot because there are a lot of people who actually supported our NGO as well. Last time when I told you almost like 15, 20 days back, we started one NGO, which is I Am Development Foundation. The intention is to obviously serve people in whatever best way we can, right? I'm not saying everybody is capable of giving money, but obviously even in terms of effort, if they can contribute, please get in touch. Please get in touch with me. The details are already mentioned in the profile and even below the video as well. It will be mentioned in the description, right? And thanks a lot. Again, my wishes for Diwali. Have a very happy and a prosperous Diwali. Thanks a lot. Thanks always for your support. Thanks.